2025 isn't just about AI or crypto. The real financial revolution happening right now is green finance. Governments, billionaires, and everyday investors are pouring money into renewable energy, electric vehicles, and climate tech. But here's the shocking part: some people are making massive profits while others don't even know what's happening. Today, I'll break down what green finance is, why it's trending in 2025, and how you can take advantage before it's too late. Green finance is all about investing in projects and companies that focus on sustainability. That means solar energy, wind farms, electric cars, carbon capture, and even green bonds issued by governments. In 2025, global green investments are expected to cross $50 trillion. That's not just hype, it's a massive financial shift. For investors, this means new opportunities to make money while supporting the planet. Here's why 2025 is a game changer. First, global regulations are forcing big corporations to go green. Second, the US, EU, and Asia are rolling out trillion-dollar climate initiatives. Third, investors are chasing ESG, environmental, social, and governance funds like never before. That means stocks in clean energy, EVs, and sustainable tech are exploding. If you invested $1,000 in Tesla's green vision a decade ago, you'd have tens of thousands today. Green finance is creating the next wave of Teslas, and 2025 is the year to watch. Now, before you throw your money into every company with a green logo, let's be real. Some of these companies are overhyped. Greenwashing when companies pretend to be sustainable is a big risk. But the smart investor looks at fundamentals: renewable energy ETFs, verified green bonds, and top climate tech companies are worth exploring. The upside is massive, but you need to avoid the hype traps. Getting started doesn't mean you need millions. Many brokerage apps now let you invest in green ETFs with as little as $10. Look for funds focused on clean energy, sustainable tech, and climate innovation. Also, consider green bonds for a safer, stable return. The key is to diversify and think long-term. This isn't about overnight gains, it's about positioning yourself in the industries that will dominate the next decade. Green finance is more than just a trend, it's the future of money. In 2025, climate investing is creating new millionaires, but only for those who understand the opportunity early. So ask yourself, do you want to watch this financial revolution from the sidelines? Or do you want to be part of it? The choice is yours. Don't just invest in profits, invest in the future. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next big financial trend. Drop a comment: would you invest in green finance in 2025? Let's talk about it below.